Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account in the Coursera application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then scroll down, and at the very end look for the delete account button and just click on that. And then just click on that again to confirm it. You have to type in your password. And after clicking on the continue button, your account is deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.